Hi, I'm Rusty Sibley, General Manager at Pete Chevrolet. I just wanted to take a minute to thank you for looking into wantastartsomething.com. It's our new website. We're really excited about it. It's an interesting time in the retail automobile business. The gasoline shortages, manufacturer concerns, issues, scares. But what it's prompted people to do are trade. They're either buying smaller cars, getting big deals on SUVs or trucks because the price is right, and it's flooded the used car market. Don't know if you knew that. It's really been interesting for us. When there are a lot of used cars out there, what happens is the prices drop. So we have launched this website in direct response to the fact that 70% of our sales lately have come off of web-based transactions, and not just from here. We want to share the secret with you because we're selling cars all across the country. So if you got a minute, let's take a tour. I'll show you what I'm talking about.